Wrong one. Off to a good start. Next one down. We have the bolts out for the tank. Moment of truth. What do you call a man with a plank of wood on his head? Edward. We've got a K&N style air filter. Okay, so there's a whole mechanism. We can see how it works, and we can see some cobwebs. I do think the restrictor goes on this side, to be fair. So we'll have another look at the instructions. We'll clean up these cobwebs. I don't know why I didn't read the instructions properly. I'm a man. We don't read the instructions. We just do things. We know things. There we go. They're comfortably on their side. Oh, come on, baby. Yes. My little pick. Got to be careful how you say that these days. Let's get some good old Loctite. Whoa, steady boy. A bit too much there. Just a very little bit. That. Now, is just relieve the stress from the cables. There we go. That's it. Wicked man.